Okay, so in this point, we already have a full functional review getting landing page and it's working just fine. Okay, we have integrated our review getting platform links as well as the negative feedback form and everything. Okay, so and the page is working just fine. Okay, as I already showed you in last video. Okay, so that's it. Okay, but now this is the time to create a unique QR code for this particular page so that we can send that QR code through the email or any other communication channel that you want to use to get review or contact your existing or new customer to give you a review. Okay, so let me show you. First of all, you need to copy your review kit link. Okay, the review collection page link, just copy this link. Okay, I just copied it, and now go to this page. Okay, you will get the link of this page under this video. Okay, so now you just need to put your URL. Okay, this is the URL. Let's say this is our review getting page URL, landing page, and also we want to put our business name. Okay, so let's say in my case GHL SaasKits, this is the business name, and now I just need to click create QR code. Okay, you can see here we already just have a QR code, and enter inside this QR code we have our business name. Okay, so actually it's a little bit branding on our QR code. Okay, so now all you just need to click download QR code, and once you click here, then it will download your QR code. You can see here the QR code is downloaded. Okay, now we can use this QR code into our email, or we can send any communication channel, or even if you want to print this, if you have a physical business and you want to print this and want to show it to your customer on your desk, then you can also do that. Okay, so that's it. This is how you actually create the QR code. Okay, once someone now scan this code, then they will see the option to go to this page, and they will redirect to this page to get the put the review. Okay, so that's it for this video by showing how you can create your very unique QR code for your review getting landing page. Thank you very much again. Have a nice day.